How do I fix my Samsung unresponsive touchscreen? Okay, we will discuss this topic by presenting the 9 most effective methods below. Part 1 is touchscreen not working on Samsung? Try the 9 quick tips. Tip 1. Remove memory card and SIM card. First and foremost, check if your smartphone heats up, which may hamper its performance. This may result in the Samsung tablet or phone touchscreen not working. Tip 2. Remove protector and reinstall battery. Some third-party screen protectors may not work well with Samsung devices and thus lead to Samsung Galaxy screen not responding. So try removing the case to see if that will improve things. Tip 3. Optimize device performance. The device care feature in most Samsung models helps improve the phone's overall performance. It scans the device for wasted storage and some other potential issues. Tip 4. Reboot the phone in safe mode. Safe mode is like a diagnostic service to help identify the problems on your device. Booting Samsung in safe mode is also another option to fix the bottom of the Samsung screen not working. Tip 5. Refresh system cache. As mentioned earlier, a corrupted system cache may lead to the Samsung display touch not working. This may sometimes occur after an update. Tip 6. Force Samsung to restart. A forced reboot on the device might be a sensible Samsung touch not working solution. Tip 7. Check for a software update. The update menu and options may differ slightly, depending on your carrier. Tip 8. Backup and factory reset Samsung. When resetting the device, all your Samsung data might be erased. For this, you can sync the files with the Gmail account. Log in to your Gmail account and confirm the backup. Part 2. Fix Samsung touchscreen not working with professional tool. Many users may be tired of many complicated solutions with low success rates. Android Repair is indeed your first choice in terms of simplicity and effectiveness. This professional tool can fix a wide range of Android issues.